Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a song on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you wanna add a song on CapCut, you just click on the audio at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on sound, and in here you can see many song. In here you just click on a three lines icon, this one, and then in here you can see many recommended song on a CapCut. You just click maybe this one, click on it, and then after this you can click plus icon in here and finish. So that's how to add a song on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.